Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company The Tapping Solution. They're looking for a senior social media manager. It pays up to $95,000 a year. We're looking for someone to lead the way. We need a subject matter expert in social media strategy and execution. If this is you, you are cordially invited to guide our digital marketing team create the strategy, establish key performance indicators, and deliver social media and content marketing initiatives. We've got a lot to market, including a mobile app, an annual summit, books, and other merchandise, and we know we're not fully maximizing our social media potential. Our team includes some key players to support you. These are a graphic designer, affiliate marketer, digital marketer, copywriter, and video producer, editor. Responsibilities: if you're the right person for this role, you already know what fills these bullet points and you're going to tell us. Your expertise, experience, and passion. 5+ years of relevant work experience and proven ability to thrive in an autonomous, fast-paced startup environment. Results focused with an eye for metrics, able to understand variables and apply logic accordingly. Excellent communication skills, both written and oral, knack for giving incisive notes in a clear, collaborative manner, takes initiative, feeling comfortable providing recommendations. Wow us on your own without direction, easily assessing and solving for gaps in our current strategy, awareness of ever-changing technology tools and ability to determine which are ideal for our needs, understands the demographics of each social platform and adjusts ads accordingly, ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously with consideration for budget, collaborative, you enjoy working collaboratively across internal teams and with external partners to turn ideas into action, scrappy, resourceful, and optimistic, and you encourage your teammates even when plans go off track. Passion for the digital media space in health, wellness, and personal development. Benefits of joining our team full-time: 100% remote with flexible work hours, competitive salary, paid time off, paid holidays, 401 with employer match, opportunity to work for a company with a greater good mission, access to content for your own personal development. More about us: our mobile app speaks volumes, boasting a 4.8 star rating, over 17,000 reviews, and over 11 million meditations completed since its launch in 2018. If you thrive in the excitement of the startup world, are driven to make a positive impact, and seek work life balance, you may be a perfect fit for our fully remote team. We are a rapidly expanding personal development and digital health company. Through our books, classes, events, and most notably, our app, we have become the worldwide leader in delivering the natural healing method known as emotional freedom technique or tapping. Co-founded by Nick, Alex, and Jessica Ortner, we're now a fully remote team of 20 who love what we do because it is proven to consistently transform lives. Visit thetappingsolutionapp.com to learn more. Our mission here at The Tapping Solution is to empower the world to cultivate a healthier lifestyle by reducing the amount of stress, anxiety, and overwhelm experience on a daily basis. Job type: full-time. Pay up to $95,000 per year. Benefits: 401k matching, paid time off, schedule Monday to Friday. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.